Hello everyone! In this video I want to talk about what is React and how does it work. React is a declarative and efficient JavaScript library for building user interfaces. It lets you compose complex UIs from small and isolated pieces of code called components. To understand how React achieves this, we need to learn about DOM, the document object model. Let's take a look at the page in browser with this HTML code. When it's parsed by the browser, it's turned into DOM like this. As you can see, in simplest cases, DOM looks like the source HTML of the page and represents the UI of your application. But usually it differs a lot since JavaScript can manipulate the DOM to provide dynamic behavior to the page. React also can manipulate the DOM, and when you add it to your page using React DOM render function like this, you will get the following result in the DOM. You can achieve the same result using plain JavaScript and direct DOM manipulations, but frequent manipulations of the DOM affect performance, making it slow even though the DOM is represented as a tree data structure and changes to the DOM are fast. But after the change, the updated element and its children have to be re-rendered to update the application's UI. The re-rendering of the UI makes it slow. Therefore, the more UI components you have, the more expensive the DOM updates could be, since they would need to be re-rendered for every DOM update. Let's see an example. Even if we need to add one additional element to the UI, the browser needs to re-render all related elements. To solve this issue, React uses the concept of virtual DOM that performs significantly better than the real DOM. When new elements are added to the UI, React creates an in-memory data structure cache, which is represented as a tree. Each element is a node on this tree. If the state of any of these elements changes, a new virtual DOM tree is created. This tree is then compared or diffed with the previous virtual DOM tree. After the difference is found, React batch updates the real DOM with the best possible method. This process is called reconciliation. This selective rendering provides a major performance boost. It saves the effort of recalculating the CSS style, layout for the page, and re-rendering for the entire page. In simple words, you tell React what state you want the UI to be in, and it makes sure that the DOM matches that state. The great benefit here is that as a developer, you would not need to know how the attribute manipulation, event handling, or the manual DOM updates happen behind the scenes. All of these details are abstracted away from React developers. All you need to do is update the state of your component as and when needed, and React takes care of the rest. That's all for the basics of the React.js. Thank you for watching and see you later.